Hello everyone. Today we shall learn about informal letters. What is an informal letter? Informal or personal letters are usually those letters that we write to our family close members, close relatives, and friends. Such letters are written in a simple, easy to understand, and natural style, just as one talks to a friend or a relative. We write informal letters to express our feelings, share our joys and sorrows, and those of our loved ones, mark important occasions, that is, to announce a birth, an engagement, etc., acknowledge and appreciate people in our life, to advise them, to greet them, to thank them, etc., make complaints in a polite way, make proposals, suggestions, etc. Send personal invitation replies to invitations and reminders. Format or layout of informal letter is like this. When we write an informal letter, we start with sender's address on the left side of the page, and sender's address includes house number, street, town, and pin code. After that, date will come here just below the address, and then receiver's address with name. Receiver's address with name and address. After that, salutation, then body of the letter, and after that, complimentary close and your name or signature. Here is an example for you. Here is a letter. Here is a question for letter. That is, write a letter in about 120 words to your father oblique mother, seeking his/her permission to join an educational trip. We can start like this. Above all, the sender's address means your address. It is 45D A block, sector 5, Rohini, Delhi. After that, date, that is 10th December 2019, and salutation, dear dad. Now it's the body of letter, and it will go like, my second unit examination has just got over. I think I have done well. Right now, I am eagerly looking forward to the winter break. Do you know, this time our school has planned a 5 days educational trip to Jaipur and Ajmer. The last date to register is 30th December. This is a very good opportunity to get acquainted with the great history and culture of Rajasthan, and I don't want to miss it. All my friends have already registered themselves and deposited the money. It's 10,000. I know it's a lot of money, but I believe the tour will be worth it. Dad, can I join the trip? Please, please send me the money through a bank draft along with the permission letter. I shall need some extra pocket money too. How's mom? Love you both. Yours, Rohan. Now, here is a question for you. It is like, write a letter in about 120 words inviting your friend and her parents to your sister's wedding. So you need to keep in mind that you have to mention some points here. Number one, when the wedding will take place. Number two, how happy and excited you and your family will be to have her family as guests. Number three, what will happen at the wedding. Thank you everyone.